Normally I will solder my silver objects together, and then I use small bits of silver solder, which is basically silver alloy, which will melt on a lower point than, or lower temperature than silver itself. And gold is the best thing to solder. Silver is a bit trickier because everything has to be the same temperature and it has to be very, very clean. So the moment you put a flame to it, it will oxidize. So now I first have to protect the silver from oxidizing. So I'm putting on this liquid, which is called flux. So if I'm to solder these two together, every surface which are going to be soldered has to be protected by flux, so the silver solder can run. Using my tweezers. This is a bit of silver solder, which is kind of silver glue, you can say. Using my soldering pin, which doesn't transport the heat, so I can hold it while soldering. And soldering silver, everything has to have the same temperature. So if it's a big piece, you need a big flame. This is a medium piece, so it's fine. You start up with heating up the whole object. And soon comes the magic moment when the silver solder will start running. And it will always run to the hottest part